Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. We're going to continue reading. Okay, here we go. The page is 44. Reading lesson 2. Okay, but before we are going to review, okay, our reading. Remember, okay, it's about Bobby and Susie. Okay, Max and his mom. Okay, remember that Max was bored because it was raining. Yes, and remember, okay, they wear raincoats and bring umbrellas. Okay, this is Bobby and Susie. Okay, remember that Max's mom has an idea. Okay, and at the end, okay, they were baking. Okay, they baked some cookies. Okay, and they had fun. Excellent. Okay, now it's time to answer these questions. Okay, read it each sentence and write true or false in the boxes. Okay, here we go. Max is happy inside his house. True or false? I think that is false. Excellent. Number 2. Max is looking out the window. True or false? Okay. Excellent. True. Okay. Number 3. Max is wearing a raincoat. True or false? No, it's false. Okay. Max is going to visit Susie and Bobby. True or false? False. Excellent. Okay, number 5. Susie and Bobby visit Max. True or false? True. Excellent. Number 6. Mom has a great idea. True or false? True. Excellent. Number 7. Max, Susie, Bobby, and Mom bake cookies. True or false? True. Excellent. Number 8. The cake is delicious. True or false? False. In the story, they didn't mention cake, just cookies. Okay? Okay. In this part, you are going to work alone. Okay? And you are going to answer to this question. Number 1, you are going to do this in the extra pages in your book. Okay? What is the story about? Okay? It's about Max has to stay inside today. Okay? Excellent. Okay. What are the characters? The characters are Max, Susie, Bobby, and Mom. Okay. Next question. What happens at the beginning of the story? Okay, at the beginning of the story, okay, happened that Max has to stay inside today because it was raining. Okay, it was bored. Okay, how does the story end? Okay, and that Max, Susie, Bobby, and Mom bake cookies. Okay, how does the main character feel? I think that they felt happy. Okay, where does the story take place? I think Max's house. Okay, What part of the story do you like the most? Okay, this is yours. Okay, what was your favorite part of the story? Okay, and at the end, tell a different ending to the story. Okay, you can draw. If you are not able to answer, you can draw. Okay, make a drawing. Okay, okay. If you have any questions or concerns about this job, okay, let me know by platform or by email, and I'm going to give you assistance. Okay.